Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, Eastern Iowa. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. Another beautiful day today. We'll see clearing skies throughout this afternoon and a little bit of a breeze pick up out of the northwest. We'll see winds around 10 to 20 miles per hour this afternoon and early tonight. Gusts up to 30, but I think the winds will be a little bit stronger for us during the day tomorrow, especially after sunrise. You see that yellow bar a little bit higher during the afternoon hours. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour again tomorrow, and it's all be out of the northwest. So some cooler air is going to be rushing in, but really we won't feel the impacts until probably later tonight into the day tomorrow. So for future track, again, it's underestimating a little bit of this cloud cover, but we'll continue to see it clear out. See plenty of sunshine this afternoon, and some of our central and southern areas could definitely hit 60 degrees like it did yesterday. For tonight, by the time you go to bed, upper 30s and low 40s, clear skies. Then a few clouds will start to move in from the north, and then we'll expand in coverage, and that's where that cooler air is going to be coming into. So tomorrow morning, waking up to the upper 20s and low 30s, but with that wind picking up, it's going to feel more probably like, I'd say the upper, or say mid to upper 20s, excuse me. As we go throughout the day, that cloud cover will thicken, winds will pick up, so not as great of a day tomorrow. Again, still above normal, but definitely a little bit more February-like than what we've been seeing. A few flurries are possible, especially for our eastern areas. You saw those blue dots pop up. Again, not expecting anything to accumulate, and really will just be for the scenic view. But other than that, we'll just have a cloudy day. And then Friday night, those clouds will clear out, will thin out, will be a cool Friday night, and head into the weekend where it's looking pretty nice. So overall today, high temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s. Again, pretty similar to yesterday, minus will be sunny for this afternoon. Winds will pick up through the afternoon as well. Then for tonight, low temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s, mostly clear skies. The northwest wind right around 5 to 15. Then for tomorrow, so you see about a 15-degree drop-off in temperatures, 40s for much of the area, but maybe along and south of I-80 in the low 50s just because of that air rushing in from the north. Might take a little bit during the afternoon for it to get down to our southern areas. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. So Saturday, cooler for much of the area. Again, that cooler air still rushing in, but mostly sunny. Sunday, it picks up, and then we'll have a little bit of an interesting shift in pattern for us next week. So Sunday, we'll probably be close to 60. Monday and Tuesday, we could get close to 70 degrees in some areas. So here's kind of the look in the middle of the atmosphere. These greens and yellows indicating warmer air, blues and pinks, colder air. And these lines here, straight line flow, meaning pretty consistent and dry weather. But you're going to notice this trough, and troughs usually in the middle of the atmosphere means some weather. Weather's happening, and weather's always happening, as Mark Schnackenberg says, but it means that at least some storms could be generating, or at least some sort of storm system, and that could be true for us. So you notice these greens in central Iowa or eastern Iowa, and then a harsh drop-off Tuesday into Wednesday, and usually when you have that cold air displacing warmer air, you can get a chance of a lot of heavy lifting and some storm systems. So that cooler air stays Wednesday into Thursday, and then will warm up at the end of the week. But because of that massive shift of colder air, we could see a chance of some stronger storms. So this is the day 6 outlook for the severe weather risk, and it's just on our southeastern edge. Most of it for now is going to be south and east of us, but there is that chance of stronger storms, and I want to show you this just to alert you, but again, a lot of uncertainty is still in there, the timing especially, because a lot of this might happen overnight, so the ingredients might be there. But since we have that massive kind of change in temperatures, that cold air displacing the warmer air, you get a lot of heavy lifting and the potential for maybe some stronger storms. But the big question is the moisture going to be there in eastern Iowa? And it's a better chance south and east of us than eastern Iowa. Again, just wanted to give you a heads up. We'll give you the latest updates as we do see them. But again, for right now, the chances are looking on the lower end for stronger weather. What also is possible is on Wednesday with that massive drop-off in cold air on the backside of the storm system, some rain, snow. So look at this high temperature difference, near 70 on Tuesday, all the way down to the mid-30s on Wednesday. So as they always say, you know, you like the weather now, well, wait 5 minutes, it'll change. That'll definitely be the case Tuesday and Wednesday. But as we've always been seeing so far this February into March, we're right back into the 50s by the start of March and even the 60s by the following weekend.